Hey, what's up, everybody? Yeah, you! Welcome to the Eric motherfucking show. I got you some. What's up? I know everybody likes some French fries because it's fattening. It fattens up this. It makes every. Amen. And then I got the holy oil. Ooh, glunk. And then I got some of these big old meats. For your fat ass cheeks. Alrighty. But I just wanted to say, everybody, that I'm so grateful, so thankful, so filled. It's Leo season, so the sun is shining, Jesus is shining, everybody ain't whining, whining and dining. You know what the fuck I meant, you know what I meant. All right, but I got something for you. He saw the best in me when everyone else around can only see the worst in me. Oh, I don't think you understand. He saw the best in E. See, when my tank was on E, you know what I'm saying? He switched it around and said, I'm about to bless thee. He saw the best in me. Yeah. Hey, when everyone else around could only see the worst in me. And see, this is what he said to me because, this is just what I love. I'm in love with him. See, he's mine and I am his. It doesn't matter what I did. It don't matter if you was cheating, lying, stealing, killing, out there thrilling. Car crash, oh my God. He saved your life, he filled you up, and I know I got my cups, I run it over, and I love you, Jesus. Oh, yeah. He saw the best in me when everyone else wasn't around. He saw the best in me when I get a little stinker dank. Everybody wanna get it down and take the blank. When you roll down and you slap that chick, everybody said, oh, why you do that shit? I said, because I loved it that much, I slapped some sense. Now you wanna get a big back bitch. He saw a bitch out of breath. Now, what we gonna do? The oil is getting really warm, and then we're gonna go ahead and take some of these young taters, okay? Most of y'all who got sharp nails, you ain't gotta use a knife. Amen. Maylene fucked that up. Let's see. Yes, it's almost done. And then we also have, for our vegans, I ain't no damn vegan, but we got our shrimp fried. There ain't no damn shrimp. Pepper stir fried. Whenever you get hot, girl, bye. What makes you think I'm gonna put some bell peppers on my dick? Psych! But you know what? I've been eyeing these glasses, everybody. Oh my God. Alrighty, now the oil should be ready. Go ahead, you hear it sizzling, you hear it popping, you know what I'm saying? Every woman, every man, no matter the gender, you know what I'm saying, loves when a brother can cook. And I ain't talking about cooking some damn cocaine in a damn pot. I'm talking about some motherfucking food that you can put in the skillet and make them bitches say, Alrighty, and then we're gonna go ahead, put those in there. And the thing about these French fries, y'all, is that I usually like doing things in big portions because, I have a big appetite, but, I gotta keep one of these on. Keep one of these on me, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta do right. Do right. Seem right, be right. Fuck that, I love to eat. And then for most of you guys who don't like using a lot of fats in y'all foods, I mean, it's okay, you can use an oven. We ain't got no, fuck that. We ain't got no oven right now. But it's okay. Jesus is the oven. Hallelujah, shine. You know what I'm saying? And then once you finally get into all the things that you really want, and you ain't gotta use no oils, you ain't gotta use no lard for fat asses like me. You know what I'm saying? I can go ahead and then make what I like Just so y'all can see that whatever y'all like, y'all can have it, but I'm gonna do me. It's all about doing you, baby. You, don't lick my fucking finger. Ooh. Alrighty, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short because y'all don't need to see all that I'm doing, but I'm gonna give y'all the final touches, maybe. Peace out, baby. Ooh.